So you're making a movie?
Film.
Because you work for an evil company.
Intern. I intern for an evil corporation. I'm trying to make the world a better place, though, which I'm going to accomplish this way.
Oh, cool. How many lines do I have?
None, because like my idol, Chris Nolan, I don't write parts for women. Miles, you're going to be playing Rose. Here, just take this one. Right. You're playing Rose. He's a man who hasn't been home in 20 years, but he's forced to return when his father unexpectedly dies. His brother, Devlin, is going to be played by Kaveh.
Oh, yeah, I wondered why Kaveh was here.
I'm making paella for study group.
And you said you'd be in my movie.
Oh, yeah.
Film.
Oh, you gotta let my friend Aaron do the music. He's in this chill wave band with 5 synthesizers and no drums.
Wait, what was that word you just said?
Chill wave. It was only the electronica sound of 2010.
No. You suck? Are you making fun of me?
Wait, guys, did Cece just say that she doesn't know what music is?
Oh god! Oh my god! I just got it. She doesn't know. It was. That's ridiculous.
That's a
crazy twist. That's crazy.
I thought she was messing with us.
I gotta.
Rox, you think you can just come back after 20 years and everything will just be the same?
I'm not the one who's pretending, Devlin. Dad is gone.
No.
Cut.
Wait, were you rolling?
Can we
Yes.
put our scripts down?
Yes. Wait, hold on. I just had a great idea. Rose, you're now a triple agent working for the CIA. Or are you? Devlin, you're still his brother, but you're a sniper. On the edge, and secretly a vampire. That way we get the teen demo, too.
Oh, I'm king of the vampires!
Wait, Jesse, you keep changing the script, which I notice is only 14 pages long.
We'll get the rest in post.
I'm gonna need a vampire cape.
Blue screen.
Vampire hair!
On your fucking head.
Maybe I could be 3D.
Maybe learn how to fucking act.
Okay.
Stop.
Kanye West and Def Jam Records have objected to the use of the hit single Power in conjunction with this video, and are prepared to litigate against anybody who even imagines this song playing over the footage of this internet video. So, you know, it will seem like a hard aspect to my job.
Because you're the type of person who, for whatever impossible to discern reason, has found it necessary to undermine from a legal standpoint, no less.
Well, perhaps in your accustomed spirits, it would behoove one to be aware of the implications of your liability in the matter, to say nothing of the children!
I don't think the cancer symbolism is getting across.
Who is that guy?
You haven't met Javier? He's my NYU grad student from the experimental television program.
Yep, but what is his role here exactly?
It's an industry thing, okay? He's really important.
Do you want some of my paella?
Nobody wants any of your goddamn paella.
Oh,
Put
listen,
it down.
you only
What
had
is
one
it?
bite. Try one bite. Yeah, you like?
Yes.
That's what I thought.
How would you guys feel about full penetration?
Like a legitimate filmmaker.
I'm on top! Jinx! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Stop it. It doesn't matter, alright? I'll shoot it both ways and I'll use whatever take is bestest.
Yeah, that's cool.
Oops!
I only have one condom.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Do you need a doctor, an ambulance, or something?
Can I touch it?
Are you a cop?
No, your stringsy box. Here.
Right ahead.
So, do you have a girlfriend, or?
What is it you don't understand about lovemaking? All you need to do is put your erect penis into his asshole, but you can't seem to fucking do it.
I can get this.
You don't even have to look at my lips. I just need you to get an erection. Get an erection, Kave. Get an erection.
Right.
Get an erection.
Right.
Get an erection.
All right. I can't do it. It's not.
Cut.
It's not working for me.
Fuck. Cut. Javier, you can just go home. We're still on for Thursday at Gallery, though, right?
We'll see.
Come on, Javier. No. This is why you guys don't get a fluffer. Because an amateur
I'm
shit
ready
like
to
this.
go. I'm hard right now.
I mean, he's not ready to go.
Hey, losers. Guess who's in a band?
Yeah, she just told me I could shower here.
The worst
I did.
birthday I've ever had.
Oh, I didn't know it was your birthday.
Hey, nobody sing a note that is not public domain.
But happy birthday, Dad.
Oh,
Stop. I'm so flaccid.
This is Act 3, Scene 1 for Rock Hard Cocks. Action.
You have to be.
You're on my hair.
No.
God damn it. Will somebody go get the fluffer?
Okay, go.